Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Bosscloth and Raspberry Pi and computer stuff. Today I'm going to be explaining what the Raspberry Pi is and why it was made. So a Raspberry Pi is a single board computer made for education. Technically it's a charity, not a business, and well, it did earn a ton of money like a business did. So this is the prototype model of, not the prototype, why did I even think of this? This is the second model ever to come out. Not the literal second model. This is the second model that came out. So this is the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B version 2. Yeah, pretty sure it's version 1.1. And basically this was a $35 computer. Back then they didn't have computers that cheap. It was really expensive back then. And this was like a huge hit. The 256 megabyte version of this was so popular that 100,000 of them got sold in the first day of release. First day. But anyway, a Raspberry Pi was made for education, as I was talking about. So the first four things that they talked about was it had to be cheap. Obviously, it had to be cheap. Because if it was education and it was like $100,000, who would buy it unless they're like a trillionaire? Also, it had to be durable because children had to touch it and throw it around and juggle with it. Not the juggle part, but they could throw it around. Also, it was educational, durable. It had to be education. It had to be about education, as I was talking about. Education. So it had to be easy to use. And it had to be compact, I'm pretty sure. So those were the four things that they talked about. And they firstly designed a prototype that looked like a USB stick. It was way too small for its strength. It was basically the same thing as a Raspberry Pi 1 Model B. 256 megabytes of RAM. It was the same RAM. It was the same size. It was so small and cheap. It was supposed to be $15. And it used the same technology as they used in a Raspberry Pi 02W. But then they were like, well, it only has one USB port and one HDMI port, and like it doesn't have gigabit Ethernet. Like people will have to get a load of stuff, which will make it like really expensive. So they were like, why don't we just try and change some bits and bobs and make it slightly bigger? Anyway, something like that. And basically they did try and they came up with this. Anyway, right now they've improved a lot. You got the Pi 400, Pi 4, you got Pi 02W, you got the CM4. You got so many Pis now to count. Maybe there's like 20 Pis already. And you got the Pi Pico. Well, basically the Raspberry Pi is for education, so it has to be easy to install software and easy for everything. So, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed, and hope that was an explanation for the people who don't know what a Raspberry Pi was. So, bye guys!